Hello, welcome to my cooking show. Today, I'm going to show you how we can cook with Thermomix creamy mustard chicken stew. Let's start cooking. First, let's add 30 grams of olive oil. Next, to add plain flour, 15 grams. Whole quarter onions right into the mixing bowl. Next, 200 grams of carrots. Next, 2 garlics. Next, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. Next, we're going to insert the lid and the measuring cup. Only 5 seconds is going to chop all the ingredients that we have put into the mixing bowl. Look at it. Next, we're going to insert the lid and measuring cup again. And it's going to cook for us 5 minutes, speed 1 at 120 degrees Celsius. So now let's see what's next. I have cut the potatoes and I'm going to put it into the mixing bowl. Ooh. Oh, smells so good. I'm going to show you. Can you see it? Next, 150 grams of water. Next, chicken stock paste, which I have made by myself with Thermomix. Next, we're going to cook 12 minutes, 100 degrees Celsius at the reverse blade. But I'm going to do something extra. So I'm going to put my vegetables that I have prepared in a varoma dish and tray and put it on top of my mixing bowl. And now I have to close it. It's gonna cook for 12 minutes. Hello, welcome back. So we have done cooking for 12 minutes. Now it's time to add 800 grams of chicken. 800 grams of chicken going to the mixing bowl. I'm going to continue to steam the vegetables. 10 more minutes and dinner will be ready. Hey, it's done cooking. Let's check it out how it looks like. Wow, look at this. How beautiful the vegetables. Amazing. It looks so yummy. Serve it on a bowl and I'm going to show it to you. I have a plate of hummus that I have made. I'm going to put the steamed vegetable on top of it. We're going to drizzle with some olive oil. Sprinkle with some paprika. Garnish it with some lemon and some parsley. That's our dish. Our steamed vegetable with hummus. Now I'm going to serve the chicken stew. Look how gorgeous is our chicken stew. Can you see it? How beautiful our chicken mustard stew. I'm going to taste it now. So good. Bon appetit. See you next time. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and like this video and wait for more cooking shows. Thank you.